Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. I have an interview to do. It's for my homework for my class. Can you help me do it?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. So I will ask you a couple of questions next. The first one is, where do you live?
I currently live in San Francisco and I'm a freelance graphic designer,
Cool.
currently working on the branding for an esports team. So it's been pretty fun so far.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Next question is, anything interesting you want people know about you?
So I recently graduated from the Academy of Art with a bachelor's in graphic design. I moved to San Francisco 5 years ago to study graphic design, and now I'm originally from Colombo, Sri Lanka, and I'm looking to get more exposure from the States and establish myself as a designer.
Cool. Okay. What mobile device and computer do you use?
So I have a laptop, a tablet, as well as a mobile phone or a smartphone
Yeah.
that I use on a daily basis. I think the device I use the most is my smartphone.
Smartphone. Yeah. Okay. What role does UX design play in how people use design product?
UX design plays an extremely important role in the it is based off storytelling. So when you're given a device and you have an app, it has to be seamless for the person to be able to use it without
Yeah.
someone being there to instruct them. So what essentially you need to have is a solid user journey before you even start creating the app itself.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, the next one is, what are the most important steps you need to take to make the user experience feel the best?
Obviously, you need to go and start in and do your research. Graphic design is about problem solving.
Yeah.
So first, you need to find a problem and then find solutions from different directions. For the it might not necessarily be a mobile app, or it might be your solution might be a mobile app, and then you kind of have to decide why this problem exists and how you would sort of solve it. From there, you sort of start prototyping. You design your user journey from,
Yeah.
you're aware of the user journey steps. I'm guessing like starting from the person finding out about the product to the person downloading the product themselves and then going ahead and using it. And there's many steps involved along the way, and you kind of find out these steps by doing research and having interviews with people, the target audience themselves.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of prototyping involved and a lot of research involved as well.
Researching. Yeah. So you think researching is like kind of very important to user experience, because you need to know what the user want, what they like, and like find a simple way to show it on the phone.
Exactly. So like I said initially, when someone downloads an app, there's a whole lot of information for them to take in. Your job as a UX designer is to make it as simple as possible and make it as easy as possible for them to understand and use it. If it's complicated and hard to use, no one's going to want to use it.
That's right. Okay, next question is, what do you think is the most important part of this software?
So this is a software that tracks public restrooms around the city. So the way I see this app is from the user's perspective, which is, I really have to use a toilet and I have no idea where to go. So I use this app. So the first thing I want to be able to see is the closest toilets to us. So it's a location-based device, and being able to track those sort of restrooms around the vicinity next to you is extremely crucial, because I really need to go to the toilet and I need to find the closest toilet.
Yeah.
I don't want to look at something that's really complicated. I just want to use a toilet. So if I can do that in 3 steps, the app has done its job.